This is the kind of property that families dream about building for generations. You got room for your own family compound where everyone gathers for the holidays. Luxury, land, freedom, and a lifestyle you simply can't replicate. Over 6 private, fully fenced acres in the heart of Hickory, designed for the ultimate homestead lifestyle. Let's talk possibilities. Whether it's multi-generational living, a hobby farm, a home business, this is a place where memories are made and nobody ever wants to leave.